everyone, welcome back to another poem of Honeysuckle, chapter 2, which is The Kite. The Kite is a 24 lines lyric poem written by Harry Behan, in which the poet explains the flying of a new kite in the sky. The poet compares the kite with various things to explain its beauty and motion. It flies in the sky depends on the wind. Hence, it flies high only when the wind blows, and when it gets tangled in the branches of a tree, it loses its shine and beauty. एक नए पतंग देखने में बड़ी सुंदर लगती है। नीले आकाश में तैरती उतराती अपनी पूंछ को आवाज करती हुई हिलाती है। हवा के साथ ही ये ऊपर उठती है। तब ये एक पाल वाले जहाज की तरह हवा में तैरती है। यह हवा को बहाव पर ऐसे ही तैरती है जैसे कोई जहाज समुंदर की लहरों पर तैरती है। जब हवा नहीं चलती तब ये आराम करती है। जब पतंग की डोर ढीली पड़ जाती है तब पतंग का मालिक डोर को वापस लपेट लेता है। पतंग फिर से ज़मीन पर आ जाता है। फिर जब कोई नई हवा चलती है जो पतंग के पंखों में हवा भर देती है तब पतंग पुनः आकाश में दिखाई देती है। परंतु जब पतंग की डोर किसी पेड़ में अटक जाती है तब पतंग फड़फड़ाती है। यह शीघ्र ही एक बहुत फटी हुई गंदी वस्तु बन जाती है। How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail, then soars like a ship with only a sail. The poet says with an explanation that a kite looks bright in the blue sky when it is new. It snaps its tail with a dive and a dip. In other words, the kite flies in the air like waves travel in the sea, and its tail moves rapidly along with it. The kite soars in the air like a ship, floats in the sea with the help of a sail. As over tides of wind it rides, climbs to the crest of a gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. The poet explains how exactly the kite flies in the sky. The kite rides over the tides of wind. It climbs to the crest. It moves to heights when a strong wind blows, and the kite runner pulls the thread. And when the wind falls, becomes slow, the kite appears bit taking rest. When string goes slack, you wind it back and run until a new breeze blows and its wings fill, and up it goes. The poet explains how exactly we fly a kite. After successfully taking the kite to some height, the kite runner loses the string and pulls the kite back and wait for the wind to blow again. When the wind blows, the kite is pushed by air and it again starts going up. How bright on the blue is a kite when it's new, but a ragged thing you never will see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. This means the kite appears bright and beautiful in the blue sky when it is new. However, when its string tangles in the top branch of a tree, it will never appear to be bright and beautiful. Rather, it will look a ragged thing. It loses its beauty and brightness. So, a new kite is wonderful to watch, diving and dipping in the blue sky. It moves its tail with a noise. It soars high with the wind. At this time, it sails like a ship with only one sail. It rides on the current of air just as the ship rides on the waves of the ocean. When the wind falls, it seems to rest. The kite comes back to the earth. It is there again in the sky when a new wind blows, filling the wings of the kite with the air again. However, when the string of the kite is caught in a tree, the kite flaps. It soon turns into a very torn and dirty thing. I just hope the topic I discussed it has been clear to you. Thank you.